I just tried the Apple Vision Pro for the first time, and I have to say, this may be the single best new device that I've tried in a long time. I mean, this thing is special. It changes the way you use technology today. And it wasn't until I actually tried it that I understood that. And I can honestly say now, I'm a believer. And these are 3 things that I absolutely love about the Apple Vision Pro that really just kind of blew me away. Number 3 is spatial video. Okay, I wasn't really sure what to expect with spatial video. Hearing about it and actually experiencing it though is completely different. Being able to record spatial video on your iPhone 15 Pro and then using Apple Vision Pro to experience it completely changes the way we watch video. Imagine 3D movies, but another level to it. Being able to experience a moment with real depth and detail with spatial audio as well, so it sounds like the person that you recorded is right in front of you, just makes reliving a whole experience like something I've never done before. It's as close to being right in front and reliving that moment as you can get. It almost seems kind of freaky, to be honest with you. Because Apple has the iPhone and its other devices, it makes capturing video to experience this so easy, which makes this whole spatial video experience even better. The second thing that I absolutely loved about the Apple Vision Pro was watching content. If you enjoy watching content like movies, TV shows, sports, this is the device to get. It's a shame that others around you can experience the same thing with you, but you with the Apple Vision Pro will definitely be happy. I even experienced what Apple calls immersive video, and that was just amazing. They had a video of a soccer game and you're right behind the goal, and all around you are other fans and seats, just like if you were actually at the game. You look around and you see other parts of the field, other parts of the stadium, and it's so clear and crisp, like if the game was really just right in front of you. I've always heard about having this type of experience with VR and sports games, but I've never really seen something so polished and well put together like at least this experience was. And hopefully this is what we get very soon now that Apple has kind of jumped on board with VR. Now, if you just want to watch a normal regular movie, you can make the screen into a huge 4K display that's like your own personal movie theater. By far, this is the best content consumption machine out there, and I didn't even get a chance to play games on it, which I'm sure is just as awesome on a large 4K display as well. But the number 1 thing that I think makes the Apple Vision Pro special and why I think is going to change the way we use our devices is Windows. This is like a power user's dream. You can open up multiple applications in multiple windows and place them across different parts of your environment. And the cool part is those windows stay there, so you can have an application open for work, for example, have the window right in front of your desk while you're using it, but when you're ready to leave, you walk away, the window stays there, and you can walk over to your couch and start watching content on another larger window. And then when you're done, you go back to your workspace, and that work window is right there in the same place that you left it. It's almost like you bought multiple displays for every part of your room, which is almost a way of justifying the purchase of this thing. You don't really need a TV or a monitor, an iPad, or other displays around your home. You can just set up different windows in each part of your house, and then when you put on the Vision Pro and you walk around, you're gonna see those windows in those certain places. Now, of course, once again, this is only gonna be useful for the person that's actually using the Vision Pro, and no one else that doesn't have a Vision Pro is going to be able to experience that display or TV setup on your Vision Pro. But it's just really awesome to be able to get work done faster, have all your windows in their own spaces. I've seen some reviewers even mention how they put a notes window with a grocery list on their refrigerator, so when they're wearing the Vision Pro, they don't forget what they need to pick up at the store. It's just like nothing we've ever seen before. It's almost like straight out of a sci-fi movie, how great and how useful it looks to be. And for me, that just seems like the best part of the Vision Pro, just being able to put all of these virtual windows that nobody else can see, just you that's wearing the Vision Pro, around all of your environment. And those are 3 things that I love about the Vision Pro, but there's a lot more. And while I still think the price tag is high and this is definitely not for everyone, I haven't even justified the purchase of this thing for myself yet. $3,500 is still really expensive. I still think it's the coolest piece of tech we've seen in a long time. And just another quick thing I want to say about the eye tracking and the gestures, they are spot on. Apple made it really easy to navigate the UI. I found myself even getting better and better as time went on, and it's really no surprise. Apple is really the best at that, and it shows with the Apple Vision Pro. Also, I never felt like the device was too heavy. I know that other reviewers were mentioning that it was a little heavy when they would wear it. I know it was just for a short period of time. Maybe that will start to show after a while, but in my experience, I never once thought, man, this thing on my head is getting a little heavy. Just wanted to put that out there. But yeah, the Apple Vision Pro, it's amazing. I truly believe it's the future, and if you can justify the purchase, you should totally check it out. But let me know what you think. Are you planning on purchasing the Apple Vision Pro? What's your favorite feature? What would you be using the Apple Vision Pro for? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.